Imagine yourself in this GMC 2018 Terrain SLE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 2 USB data ports with auxiliary input jack, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, GMC infotainment audio system with 7 display, air conditioning, rear window defroster and Bluetooth registered trademark for phone. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.